tarnation are you doing, Mower Medic? Well, I want to show you guys how to make a homemade oil evacuator for less than $5 using most of the stuff that you have at home already. Most of you guys are going to have a shop vac, and I know your wives are going to have mason jars, but all you have to do is you got to go down to the Home Depot and get you some of this clear vinyl tubing. It's like $2, and you need a couple of grommets so that the tubing will seal. This needs to be sealed, and you can get these rubber grommets anywhere. I got these at Harbor Freight, and the ones that I'm using are the 3/8 diameter. And here, let me turn it on, and I'm gonna do a little testing. I'm going to see how much suction this puts out or generates compared to my Bonafide evacuator here from Harbor Freight. On the suction end, all you use is a pop bottle. You invert it, put the hose through the cap, drill you a cap, or excuse me, drill a hole in your cap, and then you put another little grommet there. So you got 3 grommets. I got this whole complete 180 piece set for like $4, and I got $1 or $2 in the hose. But let's just see. About 0.1 bar. Here's 1 bar here. So 0.1. Let me turn it off and see if it'll go to 0. Yep, we're pulling about 0.1 bar. So let's go ahead and see how much my evacuator from Harbor Freight pulls. Sorry about the noise, my air compressor just kicked on. And let's go ahead and just see. I'm gonna turn it on here. And as you can tell, we're at a little over half a bar. So it does create more vacuum. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Not too worried about the suction pressure of the evacuator, but let's go ahead and turn this one back on. And just watch how good this works. It's pretty fast. If this oil was hot, it would just flow a lot faster. I kind of like the clear tubing because you can see when it's done. One thing you don't want to do, you don't want to overfill your jar, and I recommend a plastic jar over a glass one because you could break it pretty easy. That's all she wrote. One thing you would not want to do would be to suck gasoline up with this. The fumes could variably go right into your shop vac there, and kaboom, would not be good. Don't recommend sucking up gasoline, but as you can tell, this is an awesome alternative to trying to fumble around and drain the oil when you can just build your own oil evacuator for about $5. Works great.